Hello everyone, today I will show you how to select all rows or whole Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet and now click on this blank space and see this. All of this table already selected sheet. Again click here and deselect. Select here. Now click here again. This is as it is selected. And second way, I select first on row serial number and go last on row and hold shift key from your keyboard. Now click on this last row number and see this. All of this row already selected. Yeah, this is. Also click here, you can select whole sheet. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.